The LG 20 is here today, and in the video I'm about some prepaid. So I'm on the website here, and today I'm going to be talking about their jetpack plan. So this is a prepaid hotspot plans here. So you keep in mind these are not phone plans. So Verizon prepaid has 3 hotspot plans for you to choose from. Right now, if you guys sign up for Verizon Wireless, y'all guys can get double the data for your device for the internet time. So this is pretty cool. So I think that's for new customers. I don't know if current customers can get that, but if you're a current customer, you can try to get to double the data. So right now it's 6 gigs for 35, 16 gigs for 45, and 30 gigs for 65. That's the new one right there. They have made changes to that plan recently in like the last few days or so. So the $65 plan has been replaced. You was getting unlimited hotspot, but now you're getting 30 gigs right on the time. So without the double the data, it's 3 gigs for 35, 8 gigs for 45, and 15 gigs for 65. And they all include 4G LTE data, of course. They all include HD video quality. That is 700p video, I believe. So save $10 a month with the family plan. That's for all plans. Limited time double. So for limited time double the data, and you basically get double the data and shit. So yeah. We got here the all set right here. See, all set right here. So 4G LTE high-speed data, full HD quality streaming up to 1080p on tablets, HD video quality up to 720p videos on devices connected to jetpacks. So if you guys have a tablet or whatever, you guys can get full HD. If you guys have like if you guys have got like an extra phone connected to the jetpack, it will play 720p videos according to this. In terms of congestion, your data may be temporarily slower than other traffic. And then I guess I'm going to tell you that once high-speed data is used, you will have 2G speeds for the remainder of the month. Your data will experience some functionality of some data applications such as streaming video, or you may be impacted unless you purchase additional data. And I'll say for all plans. So do keep in mind, so after you guys get over the high-speed data limit, your hotspot data will be started with 2G. That's about 128 kilobytes per second. So do keep that in mind. If you guys want to get a prepaid hotspot plan on Verizon, y'all guys have 3 options to choose from. The $65 one, they've changed it. It was unlimited. Now they changed to 30 gigs for limited time, where it's originally 15 gigs for 65. If you guys have the $65 plan with the hotspot, keep that plan. Don't change it. Keep that plan. If you guys change your plan, you guys will not get that unlimited hotspot back. You guys change plans. If you guys are on the $65 plan with unlimited hotspot, so do keep that in mind. So there's a new plan currently offering double the data for internet time. I know that this is for new customers, but if you guys are a current customer, y'all have some trying to get double the data, which isn't bad, you know. But like I said, if you guys really want a good hotspot plan, if you guys got the $65 plan, if you guys got the $65 hotspot plan before they changed it, y'all guys would get unlimited hotspot. So if you guys have that plan, keep that plan. Don't change your plan. Because if you do, you guys will not get unlimited high-speed hotspot anymore. So do keep it in mind. So yes, if you guys want to look at these plans, they're now available on Verizon's Prepaid website. This is for the tablet and jetpack plans. These are not phone plans, so do keep that in mind. They all offer HD videos and shit, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to get like a prepaid hotspot plan, check these plans out. So that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.